Like I said, we're a two-person nonprofit. We're really small. Our budget is so much smaller than you could ever imagine. And the Dog Mayor campaign, who's seen the signs around? And how cute are they? They're the best thing ever, right? So that campaign, we had a goal of raising $10,000, which at $10,000 would be one of our most successful fundraisers of the year if it had made $10,000. But it didn't make $10,000. It made $26,000. Can you believe that? I mean, whew, A+, thank you so much. I also wanted to thank Lindsay of Modern Pet Photography. Lindsay donated part of the grand prize of a portrait session. And also, see that red thing right there with the tape over it? Those are the official dog mayor and deputy dog mayor portraits, and you are gonna ooh and ah when you see them.
Say hi to the camera, guys.
I'm showing the keys.
Yeah, we got the dog biscuit keys to the city for our dog mayor and deputy mayor.
So there's two dog bones, one for the mayor and one for the deputy mayor. My mom and my kid made them. They're in the shape of keys, as they are the key to the city, symbolically. And then they will eat them, and they will always have the key to the city in their heart/digestion. For community spirit, can we do a group owl for Howl-O-Ween Pet Parade? Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Let's get some. Ow, 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 ow! All right, I hope they heard us and they know that that means we are ready to parade. Holy smokes. Let's march. Woo! Judges, behind the table, please. Oh my gosh, VIP coming through. This is Tango. Tango says hi. So we have some awards. There's going to be a Best in Show, duh. Our lead sponsors each get an individual award too. The Jenny Stewart Fine Jewelry Award, the Veg ER for Pets Award, the Salem Bespoke Boutique Award, and then there are 5 medals that we don't even know what the category is going to be yet because they are made up based on what delights. Wow, I thought you liked us. Say more. Say more woos for Salem Main Streets. Where's the dog mayor? That's a human. Okay, dog mayor Gigi, wherever she is, maybe taking a sniff, is a lobster. Oh, here she is. I see her sparkle. I am so excited. So Gigi is, oh my God, I love her so much. She's kissing babies. She's doing her job. She is a rescue from Puerto Rico. She was found on a beach that's called Dead Dog Beach for sad reasons, obviously. And I just wanted to say, I think that you should have in your heart, if you're having a hard time, think about Gigi. Gigi did not know how good her life was gonna get. If she was on that beach having a hard life, And then she could have never fathomed that someday, some sunny day, she could lead the Howl-O-Ween pet parade and be the first ever dog mayor of Salem. And we have our first ever deputy dog mayor of Salem, Bruce. Here comes Bruce. These two dogs worked so unbelievably hard on this campaign. So thank you so much. The two of them together, just those two, raised our original goal of $10,000, which is unbelievable.
Okay, judges, can you all see if I stand here-ish? You can all see? Okay, we're gonna start judging in a second. Folks being judged, when you come through, make sure you hold up your numbers so that we can see. We will announce you, and that way the judges can consider your submission. Everyone is the best, obviously. Everyone's the best. All right, Jake, you get to announce that the judging is about to start. You ready?
Let the judge begin.
Okay, parade contestants, let's roll you through. Thank you so much, banner holders. We have number, is that 13? All right. 13 is Luna as Crypto with Supergirl. Sorry, we used Sharpie this year, and it's surprisingly hard for me to see. Is that 117? 112. 112. Might still be back at the booth. Hold on. Belly is a spider. Okay. Belly the spider, number 112. Okay, number 4 is Maybe as Wednesday Addams. Good job. I'm sensing a Wednesday theme this year, and everyone's taking their own twist on it, so I really enjoy it. Number 4, Maybe as Wednesday Addams. And number 1 is Shanti and Kari as the Addams Family. We've got multiples. All right, and number 6 is Charlotte as Tinkerbell. Charlotte has been the Grand Marshal at this parade before. She is a therapy dog and special Salem ambassador. All right, what's your number, next group? Number 2 is Brady as Ozzy Posborn. The Posborn family. Number 7. Thank you, Lindsay. Number 7 is Milo as a banana. Banana! And a moment also to thank another one of our lead sponsors, Veg, ER for Pets. And Cooper is here helping them lead the parade. Thank you so much to all of our sponsors. This has become one of our most successful events because all of you support our work. All right, next we have number 8 is Wednesday. As everything is fine, dumpster fire. Wednesday was also one of our mayoral candidates for dog mayor and is an excellent Salem Pup Squad ambassador. Whoa, okay, we have I tell you, everyone's got a different twist on the Wednesday. All right, so number 12 is Otis Pocus as Thing. Number 12 is Otis. Number 14 is Watson as Dr. Watson. From Barker Street. Number 15 is Cosmo and Freddie as furry trash friends, Possum and Raccoon. Trash friends. With trash fascinator and possum bag. I like the accessories. Number 16 is Slayer as a painter. And a sponsor to thank again, Yappy Pops. And also thank you to all our volunteers for helping make this possible and keep everyone safe and happy. Number 21 is Desmond as Superman. Desmond was also a mayoral candidate and is another excellent Salem ambassador. These folks are long-term pet parade participants. We we have number 20, Pepper, Hobbs, Rocky, and Willow as Sock Monkeys and a Banana. All right, number 22 is Nova as a Dragon. All right, we've got number 23 is Catherine, Freddie, and Coco as a basketball team. Which way to the hoop? The Beagle Ballers. All right, what's your number? 27, 32. Scout and Mikey as Mike Tyson, Vander Holyfield, boxing ref and ring girl. Nice work. All right, number 45 is Ernie and Tucker as cowboys with cows. Go Team Cow. All right, I can see number 38. Is that the next crew? Yeah. Number 38 is Kane as a bee, and a full set of beekeepers and bears and all the things that bees like. And thank you all, Salem Bespoke Boutique, another one of our Leader of the Pack sponsors. And again, thank you to our volunteers for carrying our banners and keeping everyone safe. All right, number 34 is Zoe as a unicorn. Yeah, some of the costumes can only be held together for judging. It's just no unicorn favoritism. I have no vote. Well, actually, that's not true. We have one save. Number 35 is Titus as Jaws. Titus, you look good for 50.
Oh, yeah. Come here.
Hi, Jim. Good work. Number 58 is Chloe as a strawberry. Oh, and yes, and Chloe was a mayoral candidate. Yeah, catch me at any mayoral candidates if I miss you. Don't you nudge me. All right, what's our number? 56 is Lexi as a UPS worker. All right, is that number 39? Yes. Thank you. Teamwork. Number 39 is Tallulah Bankat Justice as the 80s. All right, number 62, we're jumping ahead. Too much jumping. Luna as a pumpkin princess. Schmoozin'. 27 is Roxy as a dinosaur. She was a full Jurassic Park crew. Next is number 50, Zeke as the Grim Reaper. Zeke is also a mayoral candidate. You might have seen him with his sandwich board signs going around town because he is large enough to carry them. Zeke is number 50. Zeke the Grim Reaper. And also a reminder, thank you to Octacog for sponsoring the parade. Octacog is also one of our year-round sponsors, and we are so thrilled to have them here as a judge today. All right. Number 63 is Ava as a bumblebee. Always my favorite. All right, number 28 is Mojo as a punk. Nice, and with actual hair color in the mohawk. Number 74, we've got Erie as a, or Irie or Erie. I do this every year. Erie as a roll of Kodak film. Oh yes, a former Best in Show winner. Very nice. Number 33 is Toby as the surfing aftermath. Oh no! 33 was Toby. All right, what's your number over here? 82? Oh my. 82 is Jorge as Glinda the Good Witch. Hi, Maria. And Wolf next door is one of our long-term sponsors, and Diane is one of our board members, so thank you for her long-term support of this parade.
91.
All right, we have Roxy and Sully as a prisoner and a ballerina. They are number 91. Number 70. 70 Cowboy is Dunkin' Donuts. Complete with donuts. Number 59 is Hazel as a latte. She is a hazelnut latte. But say Hazel was, we lost her. Nope, wrong Kate. Sorry, 59, yes. Number 88, Roscoe as a pumpkin. With full pumpkin attire. I really appreciate everyone who does the full group attire. Number 85 is Vinny and Jasper as the Wednesday crew. Perfect hair. Really perfect. 51 or 57? 51 is Foxy Lady as Stitch. Also getting treats on the way, as happens. Number 51, Foxy Lady as Stitch. Number 77 is Ruby as a lion. That's probably the best matching lion mane we've ever seen, actually. Number 86 is Mishka as a pumpkin and pumpkin crew. Oh, goodness. There's a Peter Rabbit in that pumpkin. I tried it out. Also, thank you to Lore, one of our sponsors. Did Lore ever make it? They got stuck in traffic earlier when they were trying to make it. But thank you for supporting us. They have their apartments are in South Salem. Number 48 is Sky from The Princess Bride. Beware the fire swamp. Love it. So that was number 48. Number 53 is Brownie as a bad costume cop. Watch out. There's not much for you to do here, Brownie. All these costumes are good. Thank you to Kakawa Chocolate House for being one of our sponsors. Do not give chocolate to your dogs. Do buy local chocolate for yourself. Number 111 is River as Perry the Platypus. Yes. Number 54 is Bow. Bow is one of our mayoral candidates and is Ghostbusters. Thank you, Bow, for being a good boy, as always. Number 54. And that's number 83. '83 is Cruz as a witch. A sparkly witch with shoes. All right, we're looking for our numbers. It's okay, it's Rufus. We can figure out what number Rufus is, I bet. Rufus is...
17.
Rufus is number 17 as a Baby Ruth candy bar from the Goonies, specifically. Rufus is also a mayoral candidate and one of our OG Pup Squad members. Is always out there attending the events.
17.
Number 17 is Rufus. All right, our next number is 5. Is Potato Dilophosaurus. Oh, nice, with the coolers And Potato was also a mayoral candidate. All right, next we've got number, is it 62? 42. Is Bruno and the Pink Pony Pup. Good dog, Bruno. All right. Now it's stuck. Yep, now that's in there for good. Number 97. Winston as a banana. Number 65 is Lucy as a spider woman. Good job, Lucy. Good job not pulling your owners around. Oh, spoke too soon. Sorry, Lucy. Sorry. Number 43 is Savannah as a taco truck. Go, Savannah. Oh, it's when it's in motion that it's truly. This is the best day all year. All Creatures Veterinary Hospital, another sponsor. Thank you so much for supporting us. All right, do you know what your number is? Our next candidate? All right, probably not.
Oh, not yet.
Do you have a number? That's all right. 114. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Punky Brewster, number 114. Good job, Punky. All right, our next number is number 72. Number 72 is Diesel as Superman. Number 71 is Pearl as LaFufu. Okay, number 57 is Bramble as a circus performer. Bramble is also was also a mayoral candidate and is also a primary dog of Die With Your Boots On. Number 55, who's Die With Your Boots On, also one of our sponsors, is Lily from K9 Ghostbusters. Lily is a professional K9 Ghostbuster. And also thank you to Santiago family for all their support properties, and also Smokey was a participant in the mayoral candidates. So thank you, Santiago. All right, what was our number? 24. Number 24 is Bam Bam and Tetley as a cat and a punk. Oh yeah, Bam Bam was a mayoral candidate. All right, number 64 is Finn as a Reese's Peanut Butter Cup. Number 68 is Pepper as a snail. Good job, Pepper. Pepper was also a mayoral candidate and is a long-term pet parade attendee. Number 67 is Dasher as a motorcycle biker. Number 44 is Primrose as a social butterfly. Primrose was also a mayoral candidate. Wowing the antennae Primrose is the extra this time. Good job, Primrose. You've got a long way on those little legs. Number 121 is it Junimo? Is that how we say it? Junimo as a T-Rex. Number 121, T-Rex. And thank you to the Hawthorne Hotel, celebrating 100 years this year. And supporting, and also a pet-friendly hotel. Number 90 is Mabel, Mermaid, and Faye as Supergirl. Oh, Mabel as a mermaid, and Faye as Supergirl. I get it now. That's what took my brain. 69 is Archie as Wonder Woman. Number 93, complete with rollers, is Maxine, a spa day. Also a candidate. Yes.
Hi, Jay.
Good job, Maxine. Number 92 is Melody, Cujo, and Elodie, as Piglet, Turkey, and a pumpkin. Sorry if you guys are hearing echoes, but Eric is trying to help me every step of the way. I need help. Number 96 is Sasha as a mermaid, making friends along the way. And huge thanks to our friends Black Cat, Curiosity Shop and Tours. Laura is also a judge today. Thank you for supporting everything we do. Number 89 is Levi as a pumpkin. Number 95 is Honey and Jake as Pam's pumpkin. Pam is also one of our eternal volunteers who helps with everything. So thank you again to all of our volunteers who make everything that we do possible. Especially like this day is like the day that our volunteers usually actually get to have fun and just be in the parade.
Well done. Hey.
So what's your number?
103.
103 is Cody as a dragon. Go, Cody, go. Number 79 and number 100. We're gonna skip around for a bit. I know one is Rose Tyler as a pumpkin, and number 100 is Abaddon as a skeleton, also known as Abby. Number 101 is Bunny as Tio de los Muertos. All right, number 102, Cleo and Boomers as Monster and Witch. Thank you for everyone who is doing their best to stay in some rough order to help tell us announce. Number 98 is Dip as in Jurassic Park. Yes, Dip is short for Diplodocus. Number 106 is Jack as Jurassic Park Jeep and T-Rex. That Jeep is substantial. Good, clever girl. Nice touch. Number 115 is Sammy as a bat. Good job, bats. We love bats. Thank you to Die With Your Boots On, another of our sponsors and a long-term supporter of this event and everything we do. Number 110, right, is Sir Cluckington the third, obviously, in a prom outfit. It is prom season. That's number 110 is Sir Cluckington. And thank you again to the Lobster Shanty, always one of our supporters. Number 116, Spark is an Oscar Mayer wiener. Go Cats. Give extra support to all the cats who brave. We are equal opportunity here. It is a very dog-heavy thing, so thanks to everyone who braves it. Oh, Tricks. Number 117 is Juniper as a bee. And number 131, whoop, we lost. 131, ooh, Bruce and Brownie as Batman and Robin. Hooray! Number 118, Pippi is a very hungry caterpillar, complete with all this fruit. Look at all this fruit. Number 118, Pippi, and he was still hungry. 122 is Nova as a bat. Go Bats. Number 124 is Lily as a cookie. Good job, Cookie, with your Cookie Monster. We're still going, but we're getting through it here. Number, is that 49? 119. 119, sorry. Is Lily as a witch. What is your number?
120. 123.
May as a taco. The tacos are varied here. Oh, that taco has tomatoes on it. Was that 143? Yes. 123. Sorry, 123. May the taco.
Guys, what's your number? 120.
120. Here comes the Witch City Walking Tours crew. Kona, Cider, Coco, Charlie, and Russell as the Witch City Walking Tour guides. And the Broom Company, and now the Witch City Broom Company. Thank you all for everything that you do. All right, number 78. Is Sarah as a baked potato, complete with chives. And a pat of butter that just flopped off, but it made it so far. Number 73 is Nellie and Bitsy as a Handmaid's Tale. Handmaid's Tales. They are tired. It is sunny and warm. Number 99. Oh, yes. Number 99, Ferris, is Caganer. All right, and Ferris was also a mayoral candidate and also shop dog of the Felt Fanatic. Number 26 is Annie as a serial killer. Always cheerful here with a smile. Number 108. Oop, just a little too far. Number 108 is Kai as Rainbow Bright and Schwink. Rainbow Bright, 108. All right, that was number 108. Number 105 is Joey as a festive gentleman. Very festive. All right, number 94. Kronos as a dinosaur. Kronos was also a mayoral candidate. Thank you, Kronos. Good job. And thank you also to Which City Wicks, one of our long-term sponsors. Thank you as always, and thank you again to our volunteers. Number 113 is Mac as a pumpkin. Number 129 is Louie as Mr. T. Mr. T pities the fool. In case you weren't clear what we're talking about. Number 66 is Frank as a s'more. S'more. Number 66 is Frank. Because he's a chocolate lab. Oh, it took me a second. I take this very seriously, so sometimes I need things spelled out for me. What's our number here? Number 19 is Chai as a Hufflepuff.
What number are you?
We have a different Harry Potter cat. Number 104 is Basil as Slytherin. Crafty. No, 4, I think, was our Slytherin cat? Yes. And then we have 126 is Django and Hendrix as Pumpkin and a Devil. Number 126. Good cat. Oh. Number 139, Sabrina as a Skelecat. Scaredy cat. Oh. Cheers to any small prey animal. Well, they're not prey animals. Small animals that come out here. They're predators. Number 138 is Moose from Squid Game. 138 is Moose. Number 109, Biddy. It's the Biddy pumpkins that get me. Cassie as a pumpkin. Number 107 is Bart and Leo as the Salem Cowboys. Not just any cowboys. All right, number 125 is Myrtle as a bee. Good job, Myrtle. With her beekeeper. Number 81.
What did you get?
Yep. Is Bella Marie as a skeleton. Good job. Oh, nice. Now we can get the full effect. Good. The sit was worth it. Good sitting, Bella. Number 141. We're starting to fall apart here, guys. It's Smitty as Charlie Brown. Number 75 or 76? 76. Is Olaf as a rainbow. With full rainbow squad. Okay, number 40. 140 is Figaro as a dinosaur. You know, we have not had enough orange dinosaurs in this year. We've had a lot of green and blue, but I like the diversity. Oh, with tricks.
Where's my tree?
That is the most light-footed dinosaur I think I've ever seen. Number 84, Kismet as the devil. Number 142, Archie as Super Dog. Good duck, Archie. There are so many Archie corgis in Salem. I didn't realize until today. 87. We're getting there. 87 is Lula and Junebug as Dorothy and Scarecrow. And Munchkin guinea pigs. Get those guinea pigs over here. Wait, out in there. Make sure the judges get to see your guineas. They also came with their water and their hay and everything their guineas need. We also, somewhere we have a guinea prop set for your guineas. Oh, over by the blue tent if you want a photo op later. Oh, hold on, we need a full set. Yeah, the vet clinic is especially appreciating this full, no, we've got water, we've got hay, we've got shade, all the things these guineas could need. Thanks for taking care of your pets so well, everybody. All right, we're almost there. We got some pumpkins coming. Number, is that 37 or 57? 137.
37.
Regular 37, sorry. Winston and 3 little pumpkins sitting on a gate. Number 36 is Maisie as a Beanie Baby. Oh, her little tie tag flipped over, but please note the tie tag. Number 130. Oh, I think you had it. It was the last one. No. 130, I lost you somewhere. Lonnie is a princess. I know we got it written down. And that's the end of the parade. Thank you.
Congratulations. Now the key to the city lives inside you. And now we would like to give, well, don't unveil it yet. Bruce would like to get a key to the city. Bruce is the deputy mayor. And he's coming.
Come on, Bruce.
Bruce is also going to be given a key to the city from Human Mayor Pangalo. He is so done with this hat, but you're about to get a biscuit homemade by my mom and kid.
Aww.
Congratulations, Bruce Blacker. So now we have the official portrait unveiling. This is the most fun ever, and every time I thought that we had enough, I kept thinking of more official things to do. So here comes the official portrait unveiling. We'll unveil Deputy Mayor Bruce's first. Bruce's is in the front. Go look at that red spot. Lindsay from the Modern Pet Photography, which also gave us, for the grand prize winner of the pet parade, a gift certificate to get a portrait session. So if you want a picture of your dog that is as gorgeous as that was in the Ropes Mansion garden today. We also have a plaque that goes under it. And you also get a special little tag I'll hand to you. Oh, do you have the little tags in your pouch?
Alright, check this out!
And can you deal, because we cannot, look at that mayoral portrait of Gigi. Congratulations. So the dog mayor and deputy dog mayor will be attending ribbon cuttings and other official events for the city of Salem. So here is their official swag that they get to wear. Deputy dog mayor. So I think it's just terribly good looking. Beautiful. So these are by Salem Bespoke Boutique, one of our lead sponsors. So bespoke means they'll do special things that nobody else has. Like I can ask them, hey, can you design a sash that won't get all scrumpled up and that will say dog mayor and deputy dog mayor on it, and poof, they can do it beautifully. Make your dreams come true by getting some custom something made. Judges are deliberating. I recommend shuffling over to the shade, and then I will say, yoo-hoo, announcement time, and then you can come back over.
The Veg ER Award was number 33, Toby. Number 33, Toby. What was Toby dressed as? Oh, the shark attack, of course.
I was sweating though, so I had to take the suit off.
Okay. Last but not least, we have Best in Show. Our runner-up. Oh, hold on. Oh, there we go. Number 82, Glinda and team for runner-up Best in Show. And the winner is number 48,
Princess Bride.
Can you explain this? What was your costume today? So it's from the movie The Princess Bride.
Thank you to all our judges. That is a thankless job, except we are thanking you. And it is so hard to choose winners because obviously everybody wins. Everybody's the best. Everyone did the best. Good job, everyone. Thank you for another successful Halloween pet parade. Follow us on Salem Main Streets if you don't already. Enjoy the day if you are residents. Good luck, and thank you for being kind ambassadors to all our visitors. If you are visiting us today, welcome to Salem. If you have any questions, we can help you out. We also have info booths around town that would be happy to help you all day long. And thank you again to all our sponsors, and thank you to the National Park Service for making sure we could still hold this event here. Even during the federal shutdown, they set everything up for us beforehand to make sure we were good to go. So thank you everybody. And we will be here if you have any questions.